Short video of indices, surds and logarithms. Let us begin. Okay, in this chapter, indices, surds and logarithms, the first part that you're going to learn, which is the law of indices. Okay, these are the five major formulas that you're going to learn. Of course, there are some other minor formulas, but these are the five major formulas that you're required to master. Okay, so in the upcoming step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some of the examples based on these five formulas, and I'm going to guide you the step by step on how to apply this formula and to get the answer. Okay, so let us begin. Okay, so let us begin our explanation for the law of indices. As you can see here, you have five examples. So let us start with the first one. So from here, the first one, 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 2. So how are we going to solve? Okay, so from here, the power, we can just add them. Okay, from here, 2 to the power of 3. Okay, the 3 you just have to plus with 2. So from here, 3 plus 2 you get is 5. So from here you get 2 to the power of 5. Okay, 2 to the power of 5, the actual answer is 32. Okay, so that's all for the law of indices, for the first law of indices. Okay, let us proceed to the second one, where it's involved the division and you have the same base. Okay, so from here, 3 to the power of 8 divide with 3 to the power of 4. So how are you going to solve? Okay, it's very simple. The power you just minus. Okay, the first example, for the times you plus them, for the divide you minus. Okay, but followed by the base must be the same. Okay, very simple guys. Okay, let me show you the working. So from here, 3 to the power of 8, you just have to minus the 4. Okay, the power 8 you just minus with power of 4. Okay, so from here, 8 minus 4, so from here you get 3 to the power of 4. Okay, 3 to the power of 4, so from here you get your answer is 81. Okay, so we are done with the example 2. So let us move on to the example number 3. Okay, the third law of indices. Okay, so you have the base, okay, and then you have a power here, and in a bracket you have another raised to the power of here. So from here, how are we going to do? Okay, in this case, the power we just have to multiply them. Okay, so from here, let me show you the working. So from here, 5 to the power of 2. Okay, you just have to times with 2. Okay, so 2 times 2 you get is 4. So from here, 5 to the power of 4, so you calculate this, you should get your answer is 625. Okay, we're done with the example 3. So let us move on to the example number 4. Okay, so from here, example number 4, here you have two different base, but then they are within the same bracket and raised to the power together. Okay, so from here, 3 times 4 in a bracket, power of 2. So from here, how are we going to solve? Okay, so from here, what you're going to do, the power, the square here, so we're going to times in for the 3 and 4 respectively. Okay, let me show you the working. 3 square, okay, times with 4 square. Okay, just for the information, the times symbol you can write in this way as well. Okay, you can use the X symbol or you can use the dot symbol. It's just the same, guys. Okay, so 3 square times with 4 square. Okay, 3 square, okay, you solve directly, you get is 9. Okay, and then times with 4 square, you get is 16. So from here, 9 times 16, you should get your answer is 144. Okay, so this is for the law of indices number 4. Okay, so this is the fifth one. Okay, you have a division which involves two different base, but power of n. Okay, to the raise to the power of 3. Okay, so from here, what we're going to do, okay, this power we're going to apply for the numerator and the denominator as well. Okay, so from here, let me show you the explanation. So 3 over 8 to the power of 3, so it will be equals to 3 to the power of 3 divide with 8 to the power of 3. Okay, so from here, you solve this, you get 3 cubed is equals to 27. Okay, and then divide with 8 cubed. 8 cubed from here, you get your answer is 512. Okay, so this is the quick explanation regarding the law of indices based on these five examples. Okay, subscribe and follow for more upcoming content. Thank you everyone and have a wonderful day ahead.